If you are looking for a nice day trip outside of Chengdu, this is the perfect place. Qingcheng Mountain is one of the most famous Taoist mountains in China. It is considered the birthplace of Taoism with over 2,000 years of history. Listed as a UNESCO World Cultural Heritage Site in 2000, it is one of 4 famous Taoist mountains in China. The whole mountain is covered with evergreen forest all year round, to which it gets its name Qingcheng Mountain, which translates to Mountain of Green. The most convenient way to get there is by bullet train from Chengdu, which takes you to Qingcheng railway station, and it's about a 30-minute to 1-hour ride. After that, it's only a short ride with bus 101 to the front of the mountain. Just follow the crowd to the bus station, which is located beside the train station. You can't miss it. Qingcheng Mountain is a great place to breathe some fresh air and escape the noise of the busy city.